A little video on this today. It's the Vax SpotWash Home Duo spot washer. It looks, to be honest, it looks like you can do more than just little spot washers with it. You get this included, a little 250ml solution, which is this. Oh, compact, nice, from Amazon again. I'll put a link somewhere, either this side up here or up here, like a QR code. I'll put a link in the description. Right, so when you first, this side, which is your water tank, what you fill up, so it just clicks out, just pulls out, and you turn it upside down like that. This unscrews like that. And that's where you fill it up. That's where you put your warm water from your tap and your solution. And on the side, I don't know if you can see, let's hold it against, that's better, hold it against something black. You've got a fill level for your water, just for spot washing, and there's a fill level for larger areas. And then just above that little line, you see the water, you've got the water, and then above it says solution. So you just take your water up to that water line, and then you take your solution up to the solution line. That's all you need to do. Just fill that up. We will be doing this, we'll do a demo on, we'll do a bit of cleaning on this carpet, and that, sorry, missed that bit, that's it. That just clicks back in place, like that. That's it, it's in. This side here, this is where you empty it. That's where all your dirty water goes on this side. So you just click that, and somehow, oh, that's it, come forward like that, click it, pull it forward like that, it comes out. And this is just where you empty it out, basically. So when you got it out, what you need to do is, I'm trying to do this one-handed so it doesn't help, but you just basically pull that up. That's it. You just clean it out. Just empty it out. Just lift it up. Just tip your mucky water out. And then this, just, you don't click on it, just slots back on again. Like that. That's it. And that goes back on there. But I'll just show you this. This is your filters as well in here. So when you do take that off, clean these out as well, because there might be bits of grime and fluff and things in that. So just clean them out as well when you take it off. And then it's just a reverse. So I think what you do is you tilt it like that first, so it just sits itself in, and then, oh no, just, that's it, we're in. Let's check that's right. Yep, because it clicks, so you can hold button down and do it lightly if you don't want to click it. That's all back together again. Right, let's see if we can do this one-handed. Might have to put it on my little tripod. Also, there's a shadow in my way sometimes, as you can see. Right, so we've got the Vax Wash, 250ml. You get that weight. You get this one. Like I say, I'll leave link again. I'll put QR codes and a link in description, because I don't know if they all have it weight. No, I think one of them looked out with the same, but it didn't have it weight. So I think it might be an offer. Don't quote me on that though. And we got a decent price on this as well, so the link should take you to that as well. Right, so we've got the tools. So we've got this one, which is the larger tool, larger area tool, and you've got like a little scrubbing bit on. So obviously when you're doing it, you spray. We'll show you how to use it anyway, but you basically on the button on the attachment you spray, and then I think that's mainly for scrubbing, and then you tilt it like so to drag your water back up again into it. We'll be demonstrating that. These again, if you can do it one-handed, just clip off. So you can clip that, that takes off. And then there's another one here, which is like a rubber one. But if this is for harder floors, this one, I think. And that just clips on. I mean, it tells you what they're all for in the instructions. And that just clips on like that. And then when you take these off, which are easy enough, you can clean all in here when you've used it. And also this, there's a little button here, can you see it? And you get your finger, show you. And that little loop there, you just flick it up like that, and that comes off. The thing is, if I can do this with one hand most of the time, there you go, that comes off. And that just means you can clean it all. And then it just to reverse, putting it back on again. See if I can do it with one hand. I don't want to break it. That's it, back on there. It's back on. Like I say, if I can do it with one hand, it's easy with two. And then that clicks back on. That's it, back together again. So that's those two. Then we've got this, which is a little crevice tool. You can see, like that. And then what you do with this is, obvious reason, it's going down crevices, small areas, both down edge of your sofa and carpets in corner. And what you do is, if you see on that side, to get the water back up again, you turn it round and you suck the water up through that bit, like that. And then the last attachment is, it's the same as the large one, it's just a smaller spot one. And this does exactly the same, it comes apart exactly the same. You can take this off to clean it. There aren't any other attachments for this, as far as I know, but that just clicks off exactly the same, like that. You can get inside, and again that clicks off. It's a button this time on this one, just press that in and then you can get that off. It just pulls out like that, again one-handed. Just pulls out like that, and then it goes back together the same way. That's the bits you get with it, as I explained, in your machine. And the ends go on, I'll show you, I'll just bring it on because it's around this side. Yeah, that's better. I've got to put it on my tripod, can't do everything with one hand. So what you do is, your fittings go that way. You see that little pipe there, and that attachment like that, and they go on that way, and they'll just click. Well, they should do. That's it. Just clicks on. And then, when you press this button in there, what it does is it squirts out of that. So when you got it on carpet like that, you squirt, and then you can scrub, and then you hold that and you suck it all back up, and it goes up through this chamber, slit here. Put all mucky water back up again, and you can repeat, spray, scrub, and that. And they all go on the same. The attachments all exactly the same. Let's clip on, just make sure they're on tight. You've got the spray again, scrub, up exactly the same. It's this button here, when you put it on, that'll be up. What you do is you press that down like that, push it with your thumb, that's it, comes off. And then, same with this attachment, brush to the bottom like that, click on, make sure it's locked on. And this one has got the spray there, the spray goes into that chamber there, so it sprays it out through there. I think it's so you get more direct when you're scrubbing, like that. And then, like I said, when you want to get the water up, this one you have to turn it round and use that. And same again, press it in there, and if I'll do it that way, so I can show you. So I just push it with my thumb, so I just push that button down, and while it was down I pushed it with my thumb. Makes it up pretty easy. And I think that's about it for now. I'll just take it off here. That's it. So I think that's just about it for now. I've shown you the tools, showing you how they go on, showing you what the bits are for, showing the machine, showing you where the filter is. Pretty much covered that for now. I'll just quickly show them again if you want. Like I said, that attachment, which I think is fraud floors, I'm assuming that would be good for air. I don't know if there's bits of air. I mean, you want to be hoovering them up, to be honest. Ideally, you're supposed to hoover first before you use one of these, but I think that's fraud floors, that one. And that's for carpets. But I think you can use them any way you want, whichever way they work best for you, whatever you're trying to clean. It don't really matter, I suppose. And like I said, that's an handy one. That'll be great in the van. I don't keep saying van, and if I haven't already done this video for van, when this comes out, it'll be on at some point, because I'm converting it into a camper. So yeah, there you go. That's the Vax SpotWash Home Duo. Like I said, there'll be a link above, QR code, if you want to scan it and get you can get the offer we got on this. It'll send you to this exact one, or there'll be a link in description. So this next video, I'll be using it and doing a clean with it. Just sort of do this one for now, and I'll speak to you later.